Shut up and sit down.
Gang. Right, what delight have I got for you this week? Armour. We have got Airfix, German half-track, SDKFZ 250-3. It's Rommel's armoured command vehicle called Grief. It's in 1/32 scale, and this was a little eBay bargain that I managed to get hold of. And it's, like I say, Rommel's half-track. So I'll just move that out of the way. Sorry, Bruce. You got your instructions there. Some very yellowed decals. And that's the assembly of said vehicle in all your different call-outs. And the beauty of it is it's got figures with it. All out to put it together. Track links. Rommel himself giving it large. So we've got all of that going on. Now I've got the decals, so we can use them. And we've got a choice of schemes to do it in as well. I'm going to do it in the good old desert North Africa campaign, because you know, the desert fox and all of that. And then in here you've got your rubber tracks and your tyres and the vehicle itself, all the wheels, figures and everything all going on. And I don't really want to open it because I don't want to lose anything, but yeah, it's one of them. Nice little kit there. I want to try and replicate a little dio, a simple bit of desert going on, a little bit of grassy stuff, and just have them sat there doing their thing. And I'm more focused on the actual vehicle itself, because it's an interesting little vehicle, you know. It's got all the gubbins going on there, so a nice little spot. I think Vincent's got one of these in his stash, so if he has, we might be able to do a buddy build on them. So if you're watching this, Vincent, and you have got it, mate, we'll get together on that. But that's just a quick little wander around that. So be building that sometime soon, so keep an eye out for it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.